I'm going to show you how to use our new Enzyme exfoliating powder. But first, you're going to want to wash your face. It's always important to exfoliate the skin in your evening routine, and when you're cleansing the skin, make sure to wash your hands first and only use warm water. Now that my skin is clean and still damp, my hands are still wet, I'm just going to dispense half a teaspoon into my wet hand. And you can grab a little bit more water if you need to mix it in, and then it just forms a little bit of a paste, and you gently exfoliate the skin for about 15 to 30 seconds. The oat flour and the avocado powder and the rice powder gently exfoliate the skin, and do not forget the lip area. I love that this is a water-free product, so you can adjust how you apply it to the skin, and it gently removes all the dead skin cells, so your skin will be so smooth, so radiant after this treatment, and you will notice that your products work better because they're getting absorbed into the skin much better. So you want to do this 1 to 2 times a week. And don't forget the neck and the chest. Now you can rinse it off right away with warm water, or you can leave it on a few minutes to take advantage of the powerful enzyme bromelain, which is from pineapple. This weekly treatment will improve skin texture, skin radiance, and overall skin softness.